In this video, we are going to solve a log. We're trying to figure out what the answer is to this. We're going to show you two different ways to do this. One of them is taking a log and rewriting it as an exponent. So remember, a to the x equals b. And so log base a of b equals x. So we can take a log and turn it back into an exponential. Logs always equal exponents. So if we rewrite this, we would have 4 to the x power equals 256. And so really now we're just trying to figure out 4 to what power is going to get you 256. So 4 to the third is 64, 4 to the fourth is 256. So x is going to equal 250. Sorry, x is going to equal a fourth power. Another way to get that is faster than that is you have a feature on your calculator that you can just type that right in the calculator and it'll give you the answer. And they're going to give you an answer 4. So where to find that is if you press this math button and you scroll down to the bottom of this list right here, it says not quite the very last, but pretty darn close. Log base. That means you can put in whatever base you want. So log base 4. And then move over 256, get out of the parenthesis. So notice how I didn't press this log or this one. This is a natural log. This is a common log. This is a base 10. This is a base E. And I want a base 4. And I can't change the bases on those. So I just can do that, press enter, and there's my 4. Okay, so there's two different ways to do this. Just depends. This is more of a non-calculator style because maybe you already know that 4 to the fourth is 256, so you have a chart or something to refer to. Or if it's a calculator one, then I can just type it right in. So on this one, I could just type it right in, and we're going to talk about a little bit why it works out. But if we rewrote this, it would be 3 to the x would equal 1 over 27. And then we can do the math on that, but we are going to just type it into the calculator. So we're going to press our log button. Or press our math button. Now it is at the bottom of the list. I can get to the bottom of the list by going to the top. Pressing up, that gets me to the bottom of the list. Press enter on that. And I do 3, 1 divided by 27. Get out of the parenthesis, and that gets me a -3. So x equals -3. So just to kind of go over the answer on this is 27 is 3 to the third. The negative is what brings it down into the denominator. All right, and so that was just kind of using your calculator, making sure you know that you can use your calculator to type these right into the calculator. And then otherwise, if this is a non-calculator, this would be your setup, and then you'd have to kind of mentally figure out whether it's an algebra to figure out what those exponents would be.